In this video, you can learn most important usable word synonyms. So,
100 alternatives to very. 1. Very angry, furious. 2. Very bad, awful. 3. Very colorful, vivid. 4. Very big, enormous. 5. Very boring, dull. 6. Very bright, brilliant. 7. Very busy, swamped. 8. Very calm, serene. 9. Very careful, cautious. 10. Very clean, spotless. 11. Very clear, obvious. 12. Very cold, freezing. 13. Very colorful, vibrant. 14. Very comfortable, cozy. 15. Very clean, pristine. 16. Very bitter, harsh. 17. Very bright, radiant. 18. Very cold, icy. 19. Very cool, awesome. 20. Very busy, hectic. 21. Very dark, pitch black. 22. Very deep, profound. 23. Very cheerful, jubilant. 24. Very dirty, filthy. 25. Very dry, arid. 26. Very easy, effortless. 34. Very good, excellent. 35. Very happy, joyful. 36. Very hard, tough. 37. Very heavy, weighty. 38. Very high, towering. 39. Very hot, scorching. 40. Very hungry, starving. 41. Very important, crucial. 42. Very dirty, grimy. 43. Very dry, parched. 44. Very large, massive. 45. Very lazy, sluggish. 46. Very little, tiny. 47. Very long, lengthy. 48. Very loud, deafening. 49. Very mean, cruel. 50. Very messy, chaotic. 51. Very neat, immaculate. 52. Very new, brand new. 53. Very nice, delightful. 54. Very noisy, boisterous. 55. Very old, ancient. 56. Very open, transparent. 57. Very cool, chill. 58. Very poor, destitute. 59. Very powerful, mighty. 60. Very pretty, lovely. 61. Very quick, swift.